Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Akamai step by step clearly. Visit the Akamai website in your preferred web browser. Locate the sign up or register button on the homepage. Click on the button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to the registration form. Fill in the required fields, starting with your name. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements outlined. Confirm your password by entering it again in the next field. Provide any additional information requested, such as your company name. Read through Akamai's terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance. Click on the Submit button to proceed with your registration. You may receive a confirmation email to verify your address. Open the email from Akamai and click on the verification link. Once verified, return to the Akamai website to log in. Use your registered email and password to access your account. Congratulations, you are now successfully registered with Akamai. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.